Hey, you guys, welcome to Lou&Lex Situations. I'm Lex.
And I'm Lou.
How was your week, Lou?
I had a pretty decent week. Just been working, of course. A lot of shit going on at work. Now that school started back, it's like slowly slowing down again, but still being busy. And then we have this little Disney collab we're doing now.
Gross.
Gross?
What do you mean by Disney collab?
You
work at fucking P.F. Chang's, bitch.
Yeah, but we're doing a Disney collab.
So what do you have, Disney dishes that you sit home with the children? What the fuck does that mean?
We have Disney dessert. We have Disney drinks.
How does any of that have anything to do with Chinese food?
It doesn't really. They're really doing it for that Freaky Friday movie.
Haven't we already been there, done that?
It's called Freakier Friday, but they made a part 2.
Girl, they looking old in that movie. You seen them? I seen them. I said, these bitches look old.
I'm going to tell you one thing about this bitch. She disrespectful.
No, I'm not.
Okay, first off, I don't give a fuck if Jamie Lee Curtis look old. She's supposed to look old. She old.
First of all,
but okay. Lindsay Lohan looking old, whatever. I mean, she up there too.
No, she's not.
How old is she?
And honestly,
I don't know her age, so I'm not gonna judge her.
These bitches got money. Ain't no fucking reason they walking around looking like that.
They don't have to get plastic surgery.
They don't have to get plastic surgery. They better get on that Korean skincare.
They better get on the Korean skincare.
They better get on that Korean skincare they got on Instagram every 5 seconds. If you don't stop.
I know they don't trust them websites.
Go see the dermatologist. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I'm just saying, when I be seeing people in movies like that guy, I think his name is Zac Efron or something. He got some. Is that the High School High guy?
The High School Musical.
Oh yeah, that guy. So he got something done around his mouth or something.
He got a plastic surgery?
Yeah. And he looks bad. He doesn't look good to me.
So you feel like he should have kept his original?
I think he should have.
A lot of people don't realize, I don't know why they even get plastic surgery. They look better before it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And I don't know. I feel like all it took was you going to the gym a little longer, or maybe you doing a little.
Yeah, but you have to think plastic surgery is changing. His bone structure or something changed on his face. You got to see him. I saw him in this Amazon movie, Prime.
Okay, what was the movie called?
I don't know, but I think there was a wedding and some shit, and it was him and a bunch of guys.
What are they doing?
And John Cena was in it.
And John Cena was a drunk.
Yeah.
And almost a crackhead, basically.
He might have done some crack, yes.
And he pissed himself in some weird shit.
I don't remember that part, but probably so, yeah. He was off the chain.
Yeah, I was fucking with John Cena in that. I never seen him like that.
Oh, no, John Cena was fine.
Yeah.
But did you see the other guy? You seen his face?
Are you saying Zac Efron?
Yes.
I don't think there's anything wrong with Zac Efron.
I seen him in... You didn't notice it?
No, he was just in the wrestling movie.
I don't know about any wrestling movie. In that movie, though, even when I saw him on the cover of the movie, I was like, what the fuck happened to him? It was immediate. I noticed that he did not look like himself.
Really? I don't think it's that noticeable.
I'm going to Google it when I get home because something's wrong with his face.
All right, bitch, you pull up that side by side. That before and after.
I'm definitely going to do it. You guys do it too, okay? He does not look like he used to. He had some work done.
Anyway, Lex, how was your week?
It was good. I did have a little complaint about, I went to Raising Cane's. I don't know if everybody has that where they are. And I had ordered in the dining room, but I was getting it to go. And I told the lady if she could just fill the cups up because I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to walk over there and do it and have to mingle with the people that was at the fucking cup thing or the drink thing. And she's like, no, we don't have high C. We don't have high C behind the counter. And I was like, what? And then she's like, we don't have high C back here. And I was like, so you have to come back around the counter to get the high C? And she didn't say anything. And I said, you don't have high C there? And she's like, no. And I was like, So I took the cups. And one of the cups was bent, so I had to give it back to her. And she was telling me to throw the cup in the trash. And I was like, no. I'm like, you're not doing nothing. You're not doing nothing. Like, come on. You don't want to do shit. I'm like, you probably don't even want me to bag my shit too?
Oh my God, bitch, you are a psycho. She said, you want me to
mad.
bag my shit too, bitch? You didn't want to get my drink, bitch? I'm done with you,
She
bitch.
don't want to do nothing. She like, can you just pay with your card so I don't have to take your cash and count it? Like, I can't.
Who's saying this shit?
Oh no, that was just me.
Oh.
Over exaggerating.
Oh, I would have been like, nah, bitch. I would have been like, nah, bitch. I'm giving you this $20 bill.
Hold on, this was
Cash it out.
This was the cherry though, because she was literally talking shit about me to the girl behind the counter in the window. So the girl kept looking at me, and I was like, if she's talking about me, why are you making it so obvious? So I walked up to the counter, and when I got my food, I said, you need to pick somebody else better to talk shit about the customers to, because this bitch is giving it away to everybody. She's looking dead in my face, and I know you're talking about me to her. And she didn't say anything. She just looked at me. I was like, pick a different coworker to talk shit to. And I just walked away. And then I went to go complain on them on the receipt.
Girl. What raising? What the fuck?
It's the one right by my house.
Oh, that's the ghetto one, girl. Stop going there.
I don't go there. I don't go to Cane's.
You know what's so crazy is I live in the hood, and I don't even think my Raising Cane's ghetto. They all white little kids, whatever.
Well, I've only ever been in the In-N-Out by your place. I don't know anything else.
In-N-Out? No, our In-N-Out is ghetto.
I don't think it is. I mean, all In-N-Outs to me are the same.
But you know what's even ghetto? Where is that one over on Trop?
I have not been to anything on Tropicana.
That
that In-N-Out. Hold on, wait. The
by
one
truck
by the
station.
Rio?
The run by the truck station.
I think that's the same one I'm talking about.
The Rio.
Right by the freeway? Yeah. That one, because it's everybody off the strip going there.
That motherfucker is a no-no.
That motherfucker be lit. I think they just upgraded.
You upgraded the truck stop?
It's not a fucking truck stop. It's like a memorabilia store or some shit. They have like a museum there.
Yeah, but girl, it's in the hood.
No, it definitely is. But that's where our strip is at.
Y'all don't ever think when y'all come to the Las Vegas Strip that it's anything more than just the hood.
It's just placed. It's placed, and everything around it is not where we want to be.
It's not like
if you cross over the freeway, you don't want to be there.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not like,
2 blocks over is not where anybody wants to be.
Yeah.
Either way. 2 blocks to the left, 2 blocks to the south, 2 blocks to the west, 2 blocks. Nobody wants to be there.
Just stay in the little vicinity.
Yeah, just stay on the block.
And if you don't, then just get the fuck out of Dodge. Like, go to Henderson.
Keep going.
Or go to, you know what I'm saying? Go somewhere else. Like,
yeah, because even in Chicago, like where their downtown is, around the downtown is still nice. Yeah. It's still like a good neighborhood. But around the strip, no. If once you get off the strip, no. You start seeing crackheads and shit on the damn corner. Like, no. Where did I just enter?
That's true.
It's bad, yeah. Once you leave, and I mean, honestly, on the strip, you see that shit.
That's wild,
if you're looking.
though. It's just so fucking wild.
You just don't see it in the casinos. Yeah, it's crazy. Anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get into our topic. So tonight, our topic is about people who don't respect your space. Ding, ding, ding. So basically, like if you let somebody in your car, you have somebody at your home, you even bring somebody in your office, whatever. Oh, you know what? I got a good one for that. So I always have like candy at my on my desk or whatever. Mm-hmm. And this chick comes in there and she like she says something. It's like she picks up one of the candies, right?
Okay.
And she takes 2 of them out of the bag and throws the rest of them in the trash. And she says, oh, I don't like something about whatever. And I said, well, you just threw my fucking money in the trash. And I'm talking to her like this because I talk to her like that on a regular basis. And I'm like, you just threw my fucking money in the trash. I said, that's hella disrespectful. And I said, and you did that shit in front of me? And she was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even think about it. I was like, I bought the whole fucking bag. If you don't like what's in it, don't touch it. Just leave it there if you're not gonna eat all that shit. But you just threw half the candy in the trash? I was pissed.
Yeah.
Because I thought it was so disrespectful for you to do that. Like, take the fucking candy to your cubicle and throw it in the trash so I'll never see it. But don't just do that shit in front of me. I was so mad.
Yeah, that's just so annoying.
It's just hella fucking disrespectful.
Anyway.
That was one of them. Yeah.
That was one of your...
Yeah. So, you guys, y'all know we have our studio for our podcast. And right now we have a...
Basically, right now we're getting butt fucked and...
No Vaseline.
Y'all, it's just not a good situation. You know?
Yeah, so it's cat shit and cat piss in our studio. And the person who owns the cats, the mama of the cats, doesn't seem to give a fuck about our studio. So we have a problem. However, we did not allow this move in.
Yes.
It was by the person that owns the studio.
The actual
landlord. The landlord.
Yeah, the actual establishments. That guy.
The landlord allowed this move-in of the cats. So now we're, like she said, my sister, we're being butt fucked. And every time we come to the studio, there's fucking... so I guess one of the cats is getting revenge on his mom because she leaves. So he shits on the fucking floor right next to the fucking cat litter box thing instead of just shitting in the cat litter box. And then when we come in, it's like a fucking... that cat piss smell, which is like fucking... ammonia or some shit. I don't know what that smell is. It's so fucking strong.
Yeah, it's just not good for your nose.
Yeah. But obviously, because we've already complained to the owner of the cats, 4 times at least? Maybe 6.
Mm-hmm.
Numerous times. She doesn't give a fuck. She does not fucking care. She does not fucking give 2 shits about how we fucking feel. And then had the nerve to try to call us both out the last time we saw her last week. Like she gonna fix it.
Yeah, it just seemed
and like it was worse.
Nothing happened. It seemed like she just
got worse.
More. She did less.
You guys, the poop was dry when I got here and I had to pick it off the carpet.
That's a little crazy. Like when shit starts to stick.
Ugh.
And you're like prying it off your carpet.
And pulling up carpet pieces. Because it's so stuck.
That's a little fucking wild. And that's so disrespectful.
No, she doesn't care.
And that's just so like...
So y'all know I took a picture of this shit and sent it to her. And what happened? No response.
Oh my God.
No response.
Sometimes like some of the shit that be going on in our life, I'll be like, I can't even believe it. I just can't even fucking believe it.
They're just situations you don't want to fucking be in.
Fuck no. Fuck no.
Go on. I've been hogging all the time. What you got?
Other than this situation, I mean, I've had plenty of situations where motherfuckers have just stepped over the line.
What about, I have had, this has happened with 2 adults and it's fucking crazy. I mean, it happens with my children on a regular basis, so I just remind them. But somebody that you give a ride to and they leave the fucking trash in your car.
Yeah.
That shit. And it's not even anyone related to you. They're like co-workers or friends. And you left your fucking trash in my fucking car, bitch. What the fuck?
It's always like a fucking water bottle or some
shit. Yes! I was literally going to say that. And
I'll be thinking like, you was that comfy? You ain't had that motherfucker? You wasn't thirsty? You ain't think to drink that bitch one time while you was in the car?
You didn't think we live in the fucking desert and you might need that motherfucker when you get the fuck up out of here? Did you not pay for that water bottle?
Did you let that bitch slip under my seat?
Oh, hell no. Don't let me find it and they been gone. Don't let me find the trash and they been out. Don't let me find it a week later. Because I'm mad
This
now.
is my thing. Drop some money in my motherfucking account.
Yeah, why don't you leave some fucking money
Don't
in this
drop
bitch?
that as other shit.
Just leave $20 on the side on the side of the door. Like, don't fucking leave your fucking napkins and shit. I don't fucking want that shit up in here.
I'm gonna leave a little nap from my hair.
Ew.
You go find my little fucking curly Q later, like, ew. Oh my God, her curly Q, that bitch.
No.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but I have had someone stay at my house and leave their fucking hair all over my fucking house. Like, they walk around my house combing their fucking hair, and their hair is all over my fucking house. Yes, bitch. No, that puts me in a rage.
Oh, you don't do the little hair curly Qs.
I don't want anybody's fucking hair. Like, I don't want you leaving anything I have to clean up. That's the bottom line. I don't want you leaving anything I have to clean up. And I don't care if they're fucking curly Qs. Get the motherfuckers up.
Yeah, I can't stand to, like, pull a piece of hair out my ass crack. That's the worst.
Oh, I just did that last night.
That should be, like, tingling.
No, and it wasn't even in my butt. It was just, like, in my underwear. And then because the hair was long, so I felt it coming out, and I was so disgusted. I was like, this is too much. But I had got my hair done yesterday.
Stupid.
I had got my hair
got
done.
the hair all in the damn underwear.
I had got my hair done, and I was wearing these little ass shorts, so obviously some shit got whatever. But I pulled the hair out. I didn't even know it was there. I accidentally rolled up on it. But yeah, I don't know. That is annoying to me. And I was going to say something else too. I have so many of these situations. So many.
I think I'd probably say, like, for me personally at work, when we're cooking, one thing I don't like is people like coming in my area when I'm cooking. So if most of the time when we're separated in our stations, mm-hmm. it's two people, but you still know what you need to be doing, and I still know what I need to be doing. Like, I'm not finna be, we shouldn't be really like crossing
overlapping.
Yeah. And one thing I don't do is a dirty ass station. I will not cook. They be mad at me. They be like, why you ain't cooking? Clean this shit up. I'm not touching none of this shit till you clean it.
What is it, like a shift change?
No, it just is grown ass niggas, men who just dirty.
Not with the food.
It's just like wipe your motherfucking shit down. Wipe your motherfucking knives down. Wash the shit real quick. Do some shit. Change your gloves enough. Like, it's just so much shit in the kitchen that you could get irritated from. But you got to know where to pick and choose your battles. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, you're not going to be arguing about every fucking thing. But I know one thing I do not like is a nigga who always running his mouth. Shut the fuck up. Bitch, we don't give a fuck. It's just always a nigga in there who think you want to know his life story, who you think, they care about me. No, I don't care about you, bitch.
I don't know, but you know what you just brought to my attention? I don't like when people talk over my food.
Well, there you go.
I don't like when people talk over my food. Like if I'm sitting down and someone's sitting behind me and they start talking, I'm like, what the fuck? Take that shit 10 steps back.
I just don't like, is this fucked up? I don't like people walking behind me. What the fuck you doing behind me?
Ma'am. What? That happens every day when you go to work. Like, what are you talking about?
I know, but it's just like,
anytime you go to a bar, somebody's walking behind you.
Bruh, people be weird. Like, you just can't trust nobody these days. Like, motherfuckers just be.
I had to tell you, but you could never trust a motherfucker these days.
Especially when, like, people actually, like you.
What does that mean?
Like, when you're.
I think people do that to me because they think that I will allow it.
Wait, what do you think? What do you think? What do you mean by that? Allow what?
1 second.
You said it's probably still recording. Did it stop?
Yeah, I did. It's not moving anymore. But it didn't pop up. It doesn't have to pop up. It's actually not letting me touch anything on the screen.
Ah, hell no. This bitch finally...
There it goes.
Oh, this bitch crashing out.
It says input buffer overflow. Audio will be lost. That's the same thing we was getting before. So let me save it. All right. So the last thing you said was, what do you mean?
Oh, yeah. What do you mean by that? Because you said we have different perspectives.
Oh, so the way that I see it is people think that they can, I guess they think I'm nicer than I am.
Okay.
Because I put on this customer service thing at work. But I don't give a fuck about getting to know your ass. I don't want to get to know you. I'm just being nice because we're at work.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But what you're saying is different than what I'm saying.
Yeah. Like, I don't know why, and this might just be a restaurant thing, but people just be wanting to know, like, oh, like, if, and I have a lot of friends in the company, so when you're popular in the company, I think a lot of people just want to, like, be in whatever the fuck you got going on in the company. I don't know. So a lot of the times, like, when people are, like, fresh to the company, they just always be trying to talk to me, and I'd be like, bitch, I am not the person to talk to. Like, I'm really, y'all, my personality, I am social, but I am only social to motherfuckers I am loyal to. Like, I want to be loyal to. I am not a fucking out here making new friends every day. I don't do that shit. That is not in my character.
Yeah, that's how I am too.
You start doing all that type of shit, you can't, you trust anybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, you fuck with anybody. Like, no, I'm not that type of bitch. Like,
yeah,
you not gonna be sitting with us. Okay? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. You can't sit with us. Like,
no.
So,
like, I literally only talk to, actually, I have like 2 good friends at work that I actually hang out with that I would ever do anything with outside of work.
right.
But at work, when I'm there, it seems like I have like 30 friends, but I really only got 2.
Yes.
Like, no, this is not what you thought it was.
Mm-hmm.
Chill the fuck out. We're not there. Give me some breathing room. Like, no, I'm not doing, but I'm not going to treat you like shit at work.
Yeah.
But don't be trying to wave at me outside.
I just don't like that. Everybody's so outgoing and I'll be the first person they be trying to talk to. Go talk to somebody else.
And I think that I may be giving a false appearance because people think that I am very outgoing. I am a very outgoing person. I am. But I think that people think that I'm another person because of the way that I act at work. Mm-hmm. Like, I know y'all motherfuckers up in here ain't acting like your real selves.
Oh, no.
No. Ain't no damn way.
Mm-mm.
And if I was acting like my true self at work, they would have fired my motherfucking ass on day 1.
That's why I got the little respect I get from the motherfuckers I get at work, because some of them we have hung out outside of work.
Yeah.
And they do fuck with me.
Yeah.
So what it's like, yeah, those are the people I am gonna be when I get to work, I'm gonna say hi to.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's other motherfuckers like, oh, she don't never say nothing to me. Like, I didn't heard like managers complain that I didn't speak to them.
Yeah, they be saying I'm antisocial.
Bitch, I'm a regular cook. I don't gotta talk to you, bitch. The only motherfucker I need to speak to is a motherfucking chef in the back of the house. How you complaining I didn't speak to you, bitch? That should be weird.
Yeah.
I'm not even in your part of the fucking
department.
kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you complaining. The fuck out of here.
Yeah, whenever we have like, I guess, team events or whatever, they always say that I'm being antisocial because I will go get my food and go back to my fucking cubicle. Like,
this bitch
I am not playing Uno with y'all.
This bitch ain't hanging out.
No.
Hey, y'all.
I'm not hanging out with y'all. Y'all know I'm leaving. But you know where to find me if you need me. Okay? I'm going to go
like,
back upstairs and do my fucking thing.
They like, I don't even know why we invited her. She only got a damn chicken. One piece of chicken, y'all.
And I was sizing that up too. Like, I don't know who made this shit. Y'all got cats? I don't know about this. But no, like, they literally be calling me, like, when I'm leaving out the door, they're like, antisocial. I'm like, okay, but me and Sandy be gone. Me and Sandy be gone.
You and somebody else who antisocial.
Me and Sandy. I love her. She's fucking awesome. I hang out with her outside of work. I talk to her outside of work. Like,
yeah.
Me and her be gone. We be in the cafeteria where it's dead, eating lunch with each other. Like, y'all know where to find us if you need us. But nah, I can't be dealing with that shit either.
It's kind of weird too, because like when we get higher ups that come to like the company, the damn chefs be trying to introduce me, and I be like, I'm not finna make no special dish, nigga. Yeah. So don't even bring that shit over here right now. Like, hi, sir, nice to meet you, Brianna. Like, the fuck? Like, get the fuck out of here. Like, girl, I don't know, but I just be doing it.
No, I don't know.
It's fun being part of like something bigger. But it just be funny. Sometimes.
I just be thinking, like, why are you over here? Because they literally, like, the HR.
Yeah.
I don't even work with HR. Why are you bringing people to meet me?
Yeah.
The fuck? I don't even see y'all when I got issues. I'm not telling you shit.
Girl, it's just because you got popularity to company. But and you know what it could be? Good, bad, both.
The whole thing is, though, like, I don't want to meet anybody new because now I got to put on a fucking show. Now you done brought them over here and I got a customer service they ass. I was in my zone. I'm doing reports. I'm over here monitoring calls and shit. And now here you come with this bullshit. Now, how long I got to entertain? Well, y'all get the fuck out of here. I didn't give you 2 minutes. Now leave. Just be in there talking and shit.
Yeah.
Like, why are you even here? I am only a supervisor. Go introduce this bitch to a manager. I don't have time for that. And then I be looking and they passing up the manager office. What the fuck is going on here? Girl, I be like, are you just bringing them over here because you think I'm your friend? Like, I don't know, but I don't like it.
Yeah.
Just stop coming in my fucking shit.
It don't make no sense.
And then people be coming over here asking me for questions and shit and dropping fucking scraps of paper on the floor and don't be picking them up. I be thinking, like, who the fuck?
That's ridiculous.
And then I'll fucking teams say ass and be like, you left scraps of paper on my floor. Like, you better get over here and pick this shit up. But I be eating all the time and dropping shit. I be dropping chips and shit. And I be like, I hope they vacuum tonight.
Hell no, that motherfucking rat gonna come through and vacuum.
Girl, there's definitely some mice there.
Shit. That motherfucker be eating good too. Y'all be having that motherfucking Wingstop, that motherfucking Panda Express, all that bullshit up in there. That motherfucker be eating good.
They be getting all the crumbs.
Shit.
Nah, they do, definitely. I got a microwave and refrigerator and everything.
Ain't got no damn vacuum up in that bitch. Shit.
Nah. They like, fuck it. But yeah. Anyways, you guys, thank you for tuning in.
Y'all, we appreciate y'all. Y'all always be riding out.
Yeah, hanging out with us.
Hanging out. Y'all, we even became numb and shit. I become so numb. That was for the situation.
Oh. Yeah, I guess so. But yeah. Anyways, you guys, thank you for hanging out.
Bitch, fuck you. This bitch always trying me, y'all.
Isn't that Lincoln Park?
Yeah, I'm wearing a Lincoln Park jersey.
Oh, I was trying to think about that because Anya was talking to me about System of a Down last night.
System of a Down? Get that shit up out of here.
Nah, I used to listen to them. But thanks for tuning in, you guys. We appreciate y'all.
Next week.
And we will talk to you next week. Have a good night.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay. All right. She's dancing.
Saturday.
We need to be
We're
screaming.
going to see y'all next week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
We're going to see y'all next week. Bye.
Bye, y'all.